Here he is again. We're doing the lyrics to That Little White Girl, Avril Lavigne's song, Hot. Okay, here we go. I want to lock you up in my closet when no one's around.
Why would you lock him in the closet? And then he'd be in the closet banging on the door. He'd be like, let me out! Let me out! Let me out! Let me out! So,
that's not cool.
No.
I want to put my hand in your pocket because you're allowed. What if his mama says he's not allowed? He's like, no,
you are not allowed to do that.
We sound like this on this.
I know. I want to drive you in the corner and kiss you without a sound. What if the corner has a dog in it and you step on it while y'all kissing?
And then it's going to make a sound, right?
I want to stay this way forever and I'll say it loud. What if you say it loud?
And he wants to keep it a secret, like, shh, don't say that, Avril.
Yeah, I mean...
You make me so hot, make me want to drop. Drop what?
You're so ridiculous, I can barely stop.
Stop what?
I can barely breathe, make me want to scream.
But how in the world are you going to scream when you can barely breathe?
You'd be like, nobody's going to hear you. Make up some lyrics that make sense, little Avril girl.
Then it's something like, kiss me gently, always I know. What if he wants to kiss you hard, though? He's like, he doesn't want to be like, he wants to be like,
yeah,
not gonna work
for
you.
Hold me, love me, don't let me go. What if he had some other things to do, like go do some errands or something?
Or do a job. Maybe he has a J-O-B job.
Yeah,
like
a job man. Yeah.
Yeah. Anyway, so little girl,
get some lyrics that make sense, and don't be so obsessive. Okay, over and out.